Okay, so we are doing a maintenance on the Daikin rooftop unit. Those are the new filter. So while changing the filter, we also check the heat. So I jumped the R2W. Venter motor is running, but the unit is not firing. Let's check what the control board is saying. I don't know if you can see, but it is blinking 2 times. So that's an error. And here on the panel we have list of the codes. Here. So 2 blinks means pressure switch open. So we have to open the venter motor area. Most probably the pressure switch gonna clogged up on the ports. So we're gonna check it out. So let's turn off the power and open this guy up. Okay, so here is the pressure switch axis, which is connected to the venter motor. So what I observed, so pressure hose and connected to the, like, both one at the venter side and one to the pressure switch were very loose. So what I did, I took out the hose, blew air to the both end, and cut like a ½ inch at the both end. It was enough length, and reconnected back. And I also properly retighten the terminal on the pressure switch. So let's give it a try. Going to the disconnect switch. Okay, here it is. Let's turn it on. Okay, the venter motor is on. So these are 2 units side by side. There is no access. Okay, let's wait. Okay, the unit fired up properly. Let's wait for the main blower to kick in. There's the main blower section here. Okay, so unit is working fine. Thanks for watching.